Welcome back to the Coder Shop channel. In the previous video, we took an overview of the quality app and explored the basic quality check workflow. Today we will focus on the quality control points, a feature that automates quality checks at predefined intervals. Quality control points can be set up for specific operations like manufacturing or delivery, and even for individual products within those operations. This makes it easy to keep a quality control process running smoothly and ensure regular checks are always in place. So let's jump right into the process of setting them up. To begin, go to the Quality module. From the dashboard, click on the Quality Control menu and select Control Points. Once you're here, you will see a list of existing control points. To create a new one, just click New. This will open a configuration window, but I will show you an existing control point that I have already configured for our coffee table product. So first give your quality control point a title that clearly describes its purpose. For example, coffee table check. Next, choose the products or product categories that this control point will apply to. If you only want it to apply to certain products, select them instead of the category. If both fields are left blank, the QCP will generate quality checks for each instance of the specified operation. Then select the operation where this quality check will take place, such as manufacturing, receipts, internal transfers, and so on. They are available for selection depending on the Odoo applications you have installed. For this QCP, we'll choose the manufacturing operation because we want to create a quality check when manufacturing coffee tables. The work order operation field is used to specify a certain work order operation for which a quality check should be created. In this case, we will select the assemble the table operation. Okay, next select the company if you're managing several companies in Odoo and assign the person responsible for performing this quality check. The step document field lets you choose where to include instructions for quality checks. If the instructions are part of the work order worksheet, choose specific page of operation worksheet and enter the page number. If the instructions are separate, select custom and add them in the instructions tab at the bottom of the QCP form. Okay, now let's move on to the control per field. It's set to one of three options that determine when a new quality check is created. By default, we have the product option. This will create a check for every single product in an operation. For example, if we receive a coffee table and two chairs, the system will create two separate checks, one for the table and one for the chairs. The next option is separation. With this setting, only one check is created for the entire operation. So in the same example, receiving the table and chairs would result in a single check for the whole receiving process. Finally, there is a quantity option. This allows checks to be created for a specific percentage of items. For example, if you set it to 50%, receiving a coffee table and two chairs would create one check for the table and another for one of the chairs, half of the total. That's where the partial test option comes in. It allows you to specify exactly what percentage of items should be checked when using the quantity setting, giving you even more control. Now let's take a look at the control frequency field. The default setting is all, which ensures that a quality check is created for every product or operation covered by the QCP. You can also choose the randomly option, which generates quality checks for a random percentage of operations or transfers. The exact percentage can be specified in the field that appears below. Finally, there is the periodically option. This allows you to create checks at regular intervals. You can set the frequency by selecting a time frame, like days, weeks, or month, and entering a number in the field provided. Now let's talk about the type field. This is where you select the type of quality check you want to perform. First, we have instructions. It provides specific instructions for how to complete the quality check. Next, there is take a picture. This option is pretty straightforward. It requires employees to upload a photo of the product. Register production prompt manufacturing employees to confirm the quantity of the product that was produced during the manufacturing operation. Moving on, we have pass-fail. This is used for checks where a product either passes or fails a specific criteria. And finally, we have measure. This option focuses on taking a measurement where the product must be within a certain range to pass the check. Each of these types has a specific purpose, so you can choose the one that best suits the needs of your operation. In the team field, you can assign the quality team responsible for this control point. And the last is file allocation field. This is used to specify where failed items should be moved if they don't pass a quality check. Below we have three more tabs where we can add detailed instructions to guide the person performing the check, set up a message to be displayed when a check fails, and add any additional notes for internal reference. And that's it. Once you filled out these fields and customize your settings, click Save to create your quality control point. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for being here.